Despite strict warnings from militant, war veteran, and former ZANU-PF Central Committee member Blessed Pomsho Geza regarding potential gunfire and collateral damage, Zimbabwean citizens largely ignored his call for an indefinite shutdown, opting to continue with their daily routines. Sanapenda mashoko ari kuda panapa chiri kunzi aiwa panguva ino iyi vanhu vanoratidza kusateerera pamushogeza pamusoro pemagunfires aari kuuya achivaudza achiti chenjerai just because munogona kuzoincludiwa mucrossfire. Don't go subscribe or like on the bell kuti pina panapa munongobuda nyika muchinzi. Tensions are escalating in Zimbabwe as the faction of war veterans led by Geza is calling for the removal of President Emmerson Mnangagwa, citing alleged corruption and his perceived attempts to extend his term in office. Geza, who is in hiding, has warned citizens to stay home, citing the potential for armed confrontation. In an address on Tuesday evening, Geza stated that security forces sympathetic to his cause may clash with those protecting individuals he deems corrupt. Shigananda. He questioned that civilians could become collateral damage if any exchange of gunfire, urging them to remain indoors until the objective of removing President Mnangagwa was achieved. When we declare a shutdown, it means everyone must stay at home because the person you are listening to is the one we want to remove, Geza stated. When he is gone, your welfare will improve, your salaries will improve. The reason why we want you to stay at home is when we confront these corrupt individuals in Canada, some of them have armed bodyguards and mercenaries. Ndomashikombera kwa panapa na Pomsho achiudza achiona vanhu achiti aiwa chenjerai noda kuti mukana muchienda kumabasa panguva ino munozoincludiwa nekuivhuvha mucrossfire. Tiudze mafungo emu uri kudi pamusoro pechiriko ichi chatakuona pano mumavidheos atiri kutenda pasocial media. Tiona matires achipisiwa, makombis achipisiwa zvekare. People they are not sure kuti ndo maworks apomsho here aya ekufighta the regime. Tiudze mafungo emu uri kudi pamusoro pechiriko ichi muya comment section yedu. Subscribe or like and turn on the bell icon.